Good day traders, this is Liam from Sureshotfx. Today I've got another forecast about USDCAD for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with USDCAD. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. As usual, we'll start our analysis on hourly timeframe. Last week we noticed that market took out this liquidity and gave a huge rejection. And afterward market changed its character to bullish and continued higher highs and higher lows. Last Friday we got a huge bearish move sweeping out these equal low liquidity and mitigated this order block. So now we're expecting the bullish continuation move from this point and eventually break the swing high. But we also have to keep in mind this resting engineered liquidity which might get swept before continuing up and taking out the swing high. Now, we also have to be careful about this swing low. If the price impulsively breaks this low and closes below it, then our bias will change and we'll be looking for sell setups at pullback. But until that happens, we'll stick to our bullish bias for now. Because this whole bearish move was a pullback of this bullish leg and reacting from this order block, so expecting continuation is valid. As this is Monday, we can expect an inducement to the downside and only then we can aim for the swing high point. That's all for our USDCAD forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.